Hello YR7, your lesson today is going to be about what happened to Lazarus. Your learning objective for today's lesson is to be explaining the story of Jesus and Lazarus. So your starter activity is the following. On the left hand side of your PowerPoint you have got 5 different answers. What you're going to be doing is creating a question for each answer. So for example, number 4, the answer is a tree. What do you think the question might be? So I'll give you the answer to help you get started. This is something that Zacchaeus climbed on to see Jesus. Now using that, I want you to create 4 other questions that relate back to the answer. The master task is to create 5 true or false statements from your previous learning in RE. What you're going to be doing in today's lesson, as you know, is looking at Jesus and Lazarus. You're going to be clicking on the video icon, or you are going to click on the link on class charts that will take you to the YouTube video. I want you to write down 5 hashtags to describe what is happening. Your master task is to add 2 hashtags showing what this tells us about Jesus. So while you're watching this, for example, we can do hashtag bringing back to life. That is a massive clue that will help you from the video. Now that we have watched the video about Jesus raising Lazarus from the dead, we're going to think about whether or not it truly happened. So I want you to have 3 reasons for the statement, 3 reasons against the statement. I want you to pause the video now before the answers come up. So with the red pen, I want you to fill in the missing blanks if you have got any. If you've got the same ones, I want you to tick them. Your master task is, how do you think an atheist, someone who does not believe in God, would respond to the story of Lazarus? Is it scientifically possible for someone to be brought back to life? Your last task is going to be uploaded onto class charts. You can either use the template that is provided on class charts, or you are going to do this on a piece of paper. I want you to write down a conversation between 2 people discussing what happened to Lazarus. Bob is someone who saw what happened and fully believes in Jesus. Fred is slightly skeptical and he wasn't there, so he's not convinced that it happened at all. So you're going to go back and forth, back and forth. Bob is going to start by talking to Fred and saying, "This is what happened. I can't believe it. I just saw this." What do you think Fred will respond back to that? And then what do you think Bob will reply to that? So I want at least 5 responses from each person. You have got useful sentence starters to help you, and you must use persuasive language. Remember, Fred is not entirely convinced. Your master task is to write down 2 newspaper headlines for the story of the miracle of Jesus. One that suggests that it really did happen, and one that suggests that it was all fake, and you need to make them eye-catching. Remember to use persuasive language.